Hello. So we're back, and this time we have a customer job. Okay. So this is a Lenovo Z50-70. You can see the laptop has a foil on it. Check here, it has a foil on the touchpad. This is like brand new. So what the customer is saying has no power, and I found I replaced a faulty capacitor. That's strange. Now the 5 volts and 3.3 volts are present. However, the IT A5A6E gets hot. This is a little bit strange. I mean, the LDO voltage is a linear power supply. And if your EC chip is shorted, can get hot, but the voltage it will not be 3.3. So this is strange. I ordered a replacement chip. I tried to replace it. However, I tried to clean it before cooling, and the chip got ripped from the board, and few legs broke. Okay, this is strange again. I mean, the chip is soldered, right? You clean it. You clean it with a brush or something. You cannot rip the chip off. You cannot rip the pins off. So this is strange. What do you think? If you try to clean it with a grinder, yeah, that makes sense, but unfortunately I don't have a microscope, so I should have probably contacted you to begin with. Okay, so I will say let's open this laptop and see exactly what's going on inside. I try to explain to the customer, even if you replace that chip, you have to program the chip. Not sure if the chip will get programmed itself, but most likely you have to program that chip. Okay, so let's try and open. The laptop looks like new. There's no DVD inside. The DVD is missing. Oh, but it's looking pretty damn good. Yeah, we can see the screws has been opened before. Okay, so we took out the palm rest. So we took out the palm rest, and indeed the IO chip has been soldered. Yeah, okay. You know what? The problem is what this kind of job is saying about the customer. What is saying? What is he saying about the... Look how bad it looks. What is saying about the customer? You know what I mean? That's not a problem. That's not the issue. The issue is the customer stopped and sent it to me and see me like I escape. Yeah, he afford to pay for the repair and he sent it to me. That's the wrong part here. Not how the chip is soldered. You know what I mean? So I feel sorry. Not because of the chip, how it's soldered. It's okay, just a little bit more work and more hot air and it'll be fine. But it's about he quit. He stopped doing it. And he's not learning on this. They just send it to me. You should try desolder the chip again, try again, solder back again, and so on till you get it right. That's what the customer did wrong. He sent it to me. I mean, the chip is even soldered. What do you mean it's ripped off chips? I can see the pins are not soldered on place, which you can do it easily with... Look, you see, this pin is not so... Okay, one second. Those are not soldered. 1 second. The customer said he doesn't have a microscope. And then can make sense, yeah? This can make sense. But don't feel bad, yeah? If you are watching this video, don't feel bad for something like that. At least you tried, There are people, they don't even try. I mean, they want to learn, and all what they do, they watch videos. They never try. You know, that's the thing. They don't have the, you know, the courage to try. Okay, let me try it. Well, I got it wrong. That's fine. You think I didn't got it wrong on the beginning? I screwed it up so many times, it becomes like normal, you know. I don't even feel bad when something goes wrong. Okay, I can't see the pins, you know. Actually, I don't even want to take this chip out. But I cannot see the pins. You said you ripped few pins. From the chip, you mean? I can see here is something wrong. I don't think the pins are missing. I think it's somewhere there or it's broken. Yeah, you know what? You know what? If you watch this video, you know what? That's not the issue. You cannot get it right. I mean, maybe if you are younger and if you can solve this chip from the beginning, like how I do with the hot air, yeah, maybe it will work. But otherwise, you need a microscope. So don't feel bad about that. When I say microscope, the microscope got cheaper. Like my one, it's around 200. You can buy a digital one with probably a little bit over £100. So somehow you can do it. You just need the right tools. Okay, so let's remove this chip. The problem, I have the speaker next to it. So here is the speaker. Not sure how can I do it because I will melt the speaker. You know what? Let's take the motherboard out, yeah? Let's take the motherboard out. I always said, you know, hate, it's a waste of time feeling, yeah? You do nothing. You just waste energy and time hating something. Constructive critics, it's a different story, yeah, indeed. But watching back on my videos, especially on the beginning, you know, so much, I got so much hate on YouTube. But you know what? Over the time, the people start accepting me like how I am. I mean, now no one is leaving a hate comments for you know, a proper calibrated fuse, or removing the capacitor without replacing. Yeah, no, I don't get hate because of that. Not anymore. But at the beginning, it was insane. Yeah. Pointless, you know, to leave a hate comment just because you don't understand. That's the thing. Because every comment is, I seen the others and you are doing wrong. You know, but they will not say, oh, sorry, I think you are doing right, but others are doing wrong. And no one is saying that. No. Okay. Let's remove the I/O chip. We can program this chip by the keyboard connector, right? Yeah, must be. Yeah, we can do it by the keyboard connector. The board is looking good. Yeah, it is looking good. Yeah, let's remove this chip. Let's do it. The customer didn't use the rosin flux. He used like a normal gel flux. Yeah, that's not a problem. That's not a problem. Let me grab my special tweezer, special for I/O chips. Yeah, it's here. Let's lower the temperature, because this chip must be good. Probably is good. Okay, so we took the chip out, and the pads are all on place. The pins are all on place. Most of them. I can see this pin. Wait. Yeah, that's not a problem. That's not a problem. Just a little bit of work. Indeed, this one pin is missing here. And that's all. But it's nothing like to feel bad about that. It's nothing to feel bad about that. No, the pin is here. The pin is here. Yeah, you try to do it without a microscope, and you know, that's quite hard to achieve. Yeah, let's make this chip beautiful. Okay, it's turning out to be risky because those pins has been moved already. So if I try to move them again to make them straight, very possible I will break some pins. And I don't want that. So definitely I will program this chip on the motherboard, not on the programmer. Good, so it's looking good, it's looking fine, yeah? Let's solder the chip back. Can you use some solder? Yes, we can. We can use some solder. Let me get rid of the reflections. Yeah, just a little bit. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Okay, pin number 1 is here, so the chip has to be like that. Okay, good. Let's make it straight. Let's solder the chip in one take with the hot air. I mean, let's solder what we can because we have a lot of bend pins. Yeah, so we solder the chip. Which is looking beautiful. Nothing wrong here. Nothing wrong here. Absolutely nothing wrong. So all my critics, it's about, just choosing the way to send the job to someone else instead of doing it yourself. So that's my critics. But otherwise, I mean, just think, just think for 1 second. Instead of giving me that money, you could easily buy a digital microscope from Amazon or whatever, and you could do it. What do you think? The problem is when you buy a tool, you have it like for many jobs, not only for this one. Not only for this one. And the tool, it will pay itself, you know what I mean? Okay, here is a problem. I don't know how to manage to do it. I choose the worst way possible. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now let's solder the pins. Here, this pin has to be here, and this one here. You know my only concern, maybe we are working here and actually the chip is gone. Can be, right? That's perfect. So you see, bend pins are fine. There's nothing wrong in that. If they are soldered to each pad. Here everything looks fine. Yeah. Everything looks fine. Here we have that pin. Well, let me check the chip position. Yeah. You know, I solder so many times the chips on the wrong position. I mean, like how I said, you know, no one is perfect. And don't get, listen, don't get as reference some people on YouTube, even myself, yeah? Because if I'm doing something stupid, I will probably not upload a video. Usually I do upload stupid videos. But that's the reason why you see on YouTube only successful people. Because they will not upload the mistakes. I mean, I do upload my mistakes if it's anything to learn from that. If it's nothing to learn, I will not upload that video. Because it's pointless. Okay, it's looking good. Every pin is looking good here. Let's see here. Perfect, right? Now let's clean it. Let me try and clean it. Okay, let's see. It is clean. Yeah, kind of. So how the chip is looking? Good? Yeah, perfect. 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 Okay, that's great. So we solder the chip. Let me take the USB, the charging port, sorry. Let me take the charging port. You know, on some point, you will get bored just watching perfect people doing perfect things. And, you know, no point trying to be someone else. Just try to be yourself. I want the pins to be straight there? No, I don't care. Yeah, I'm happy just to be soldered. You know what I mean? I have no satisfaction if I will make every pin straight and solder there. I have nothing, yeah? So let's plug the... Let me grab my connector. Good, 19. Good. Okay, that's fine. It's taking 10 milliamps, which is about the right current, you see? It's about the right current. Now let's check the main power rail. 3.3 on the IO chip. Yeah. Let's see. Here we have some carbon. Yeah, 3.3. You can see on the screen 3.3. Let's see, this board is starting or what? Here you have the power button, right? Should be the power button here. Here you have 3.3, 3.9, 3.3, 3.3, 0, 0. Okay, let's short the pins. No, nothing is doing. No. Let me short with the ground. Yeah. So here is the ground. Nothing. Yeah. And the board start. Check there on the screen. Start and shut down. Yeah, and wait 1 second. Maybe I don't have enough. Oh, I don't have enough current. Which one it is? 40 milliamps and shutting down now. So is the third pin? Yeah. 500. 500 milliamps and it's staying on. Ha. You can see? It's taking 500. Huh? It is possible this board to work. I mean, the board started, clearly. Oh, look, we have the light here. Check there, you see? And the board just shut down. And the board start. Possible the chip will program itself. Huh? What do you think? Yeah, I can feel the heat on the heatsink. I can feel the heat. It's getting warm. That's a good sign. I would say let's connect the screen and see what it's doing. What do you think? I mean, I'm excited. Let's plug the screen. Where the screen has to be. Hey, it's on the other side. Okay, I got it. Yeah. Good. Now let's plug the charger. Let's sure the laptop came on. The laptop came on by itself. But no picture on screen. No, no picture on screen. I think I'll test the... Wait, the laptop shut down, start again. You know what, I think I will text the customer. I'm not sure what is this chip. Not sure where this SIO chip started actually. Yeah, we have no picture on the screen, nothing. But the board is on. And from a chip which is not programmed, this is strange. So I have to find what's going on here. So now it's 10 milliamps. Okay, the board is looping. The board is looping. Huh. So everything seems to be fine. I can feel the CPU warm, but it's no picture on the screen. And the board is looping, right? Wait, what is getting hot there? 1 second. We have a dedicated... Oh yeah, we have a dedicated graphic chip on this board. Check here. Oh wow. One second. 1 second. Do we have the RAM voltage? I mean, the current seems a little bit too low. 530 milliamps. It's a little bit too low. Here nothing. Oh wait, the board is shut off. Okay, now it's on. We have nothing. 1.3 you can see on the screen, so we do have the RAM voltage. Probably we do have the V-core 1.7 volts. The GPU 0.8 present. So everything looks fine here. I mean, let's try something. Let's reset the BIOS. Yeah, like that. Okay, let's move the RAM memory on the other slot. Yeah. Let's plug the charger. And the board started. And we have picture. We have backlight. We have picture. That's crazy. Now check here. No, I'm touching some things here with my hand. Lol. We have picture, but why? This has a faulty screen. Now check here. When I'm pressing here. Yeah, so the screen has an issue. So when I'm pressing here, you can see. Yeah, has a problem with the screen. But this is crazy. This is insane. So it's working. Oh, that's sick. So 1 second, because I'm sure here will be confused people. Why I didn't reset the BIOS battery from before? Because it's pointless. We desolder the chip. The BIOS battery is supplying voltage to the IO chip, yeah, and it's holding a copy of BIOS inside, yeah. So no point. So I don't think have anything to do with resetting the BIOS. I think have to do because I moved the RAM from one slot to the other slot. But that's crazy. So the chip is programmed, or the chip programmed by itself? That's sick. Ha! Let me put it all back together. See you in a few minutes. Okay, before we are closing the laptop, let's check the keyboard. Yeah, you'll have a surprise. Yeah. When you replace the IO chip, if you don't solder a pin, let's say a pin, you'll have a surprise. Actually, you see some keys are not working, and then you have to open the laptop again and resolder the pins again. Yeah, looks like it's fine. I don't have the hard drive. That's the problem. How can I test without a hard drive? Let's see the numbers. Yeah, the numbers are fine. No, I cannot type 9. Yeah, but I can type 9 on the next one, right? Enter 9. 8, 9. I can't. 9. Oh yeah. 1 second. Those seconds. Date. 1 second. Date. Let's try 9 here. 8, 9. 9 is not working. 0 is working, but not 9. You see exactly what I told you. Exactly what I told you. I can't see 9 to be working. I can see the other. What about here? 9. Here 9 is working, but not here. Not here. Here the 9 is not working. It sucks. I'm happy I didn't put it back, yeah? I'm happy I didn't put it back. You see, those are things which can go wrong. And now you'll say, yes, sorry, because you didn't check every pin, because the pins was banned, and yeah, that's okay. That's the beauty of this field. Doesn't work, that's fine. We are opening and checking one more time. We didn't close the laptop, so nothing happened. I don't have to work extra. That's fine. People are too stressed on those days. Okay, so which one is with the problem? That's my question. Solder. This is kind of moving, but it's still solder. Yes, and now it's fine. Okay, that's fine. Like how I said many times, my picture is different from yours, so here for me is very clear. Everything is clear. This one is moving. It's still solder, but kind of moving. That's fine. Good. Perfect. Perfect. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Look here, look here. This is the one. How did I miss that? How did I miss that? You think this it will make me less perfect, huh? You think the people it will call me unprofessional? Huh? Perfect. So what do you think? Just tell me now before I upload in the video, eh? Tell me now. Ha ha, found it. This is another one. That's crazy. I believe I'm not professional. I'm not qualified. Someone said in the video I'm not qualified to do laptop repairs. I don't know why. Yeah, all are good. Yeah? Great. Fantastic. Now let's test one more time. Wait, I didn't have to press the power button. I need to press the BIOS button. Lenovo has a BIOS button on one side. BIOS setup. Check there, 9. You can see it? Or you can't see it? 9. You can see 9? It's working, you see? That's how you learn. That's how you learn. Okay, let me put it all back together. And then maybe we can have a look at the screen. What do you think? Because I'm pretty sure the screen is getting wide. That means the 3.3 has it's not making a perfect contact somewhere. I suppose that's the problem. But let me put the laptop back together first. Okay, so the laptop is back together. Pressing the power button. It's coming on, but the screen is funny. Yeah, you can see it. So let's try to open the screen and see if we can help the customer with this problem. I mean, he didn't say anything about this, but you know, maybe we can help you. Hopefully the screen is not stuck on the back, because on that case I will not take out the screen. If it's stuck on the back with, you know, with good, it's not stuck. It's not. It has screws, which is beautiful. Okay, so how we can fix this kind of fault? I mean, I think only just unplugging the screen and plugging the screen back, it will solve this problem. That's what I believe. Let's see. Let's try and see if I was right. Power on. No really. No really. Okay, let me press the BIOS button. Let's go on BIOS. BIOS. Okay. No, do you think it's a screen? Wait, why the backlight goes off here? Okay, that's bad. Playing with the backlight, which you know is 20 volts, actually 21. That's bad. That's proper bad. So not sure it's the ribbon cable or the screen itself. Or the connector. Huh? What do you think? You know, that's strange. That's very strange. Let's have a look under the microscope, yeah? I mean, can we go extra mile for the customer and fix the screen also? No, the pins are fine. The connector is super clean, you can see. Let's clean with some alcohol. Not sure how this will fix the problem, but we can try. Let's plug it and unplug it. Okay, let's dry it. Good. Good, so the connector is plugged. Let's try one more time. You know, I believe this it will end up with a screen replacement. Not the power. Well, even the power doesn't matter. So we do have the picture. Although it fix the problem or not? Yeah. It's working. I only clean it. That's crazy. And was clean. Was clean. Was no sign of liquid damage. That's sick. Okay, let me put the screen back. Okay, the screen is all back. Let's try one more time. Let's go on BIOS. Okay, let's see. Let's go on BIOS. BIOS setup. It's still doing it. I mean, it's working. It's not that often. Yeah. Okay. No, it's not working. Who knows? I mean, it's still working. If you don't touch it, you can see the picture. Anyway, I will stop now. You know, I'm happy we fix it. Yeah, we fix it. At least we fix it. But have in mind, you know, just because you don't get it right from the first time, that doesn't mean you should quit. Just try and try and try till you get it right. That's how you learn. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.